guys, this is Amanda. It's summertime, so I thought I could share some summer recipes with you. That's why today we're going to make mango and pork quinoa bowl with citrus dressing. Very refreshing, delicious, and colorful. So let's begin.
Please go to foodbyamanda.com for the full recipe. For the citrus dressing, you will need some olive oil, honey, lemon zest, orange zest, onion, lemon juice, and orange juice. You also need some pork chops, quinoa, water, avocado, tomato, mango, and green onion. First of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit. In a rice cooker, I'm going to add quinoa and water. Let it cook for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to prepare the pork chops. You'll need to prepare a piece of aluminum foil that is big enough to wrap the meat. Rub some olive oil and season with salt and pepper on both sides of the meat. For a better taste, you can add a few cloves of garlic and rosemary. Fold the aluminum foil and just wrap them up. Cook the pork chops in the oven for about 25 minutes. For the citrus dressing, add all the ingredients into a container. You can make this dressing ahead, store it in the fridge with an airtight container. It can last for about 3 days. This dressing is so delicious and refreshing. You can use it in salads as well. Place the quinoa and pork chops into a serving bowl. Add the diced tomato, mango, and avocado. Give the dressing a good shake before using. Pour some dressing on top and sprinkle with some green onions. That's it! Get ready to dig in! This recipe is so perfect for summer because you get all that flavor from the ingredients, satisfying but not overwhelming. Thank you for spending time with me, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!